Hey, welcome to GT Trading, guys. If this is your first step into trading, you're exactly where you need to be. Today, it's about starting fresh, setting aside the noise, the frustration, even the long hours at work, and giving yourself a clear slate to build the right habits. All right. Mindset reset is the key, y'all. The first thing you want to do, one thing we all learn quickly is this. Trading doesn't reward complaints, it rewards discipline. The market is unpredictable, but you can be consistent. That consistency is what separates beginners who burn out from traders who grow.